Okay everyone, as you can see today I'll be doing some work on my car, my Jeep. I have started the cleaning process with a wire cup and a wire brush on 3 of my wheels. Believe it or not, this one's been cleaned and it's ready for a respray. It looks quite pitted, but it's quite smooth. And I'll take you up to the next one, sorry, the last one. This is the last one. I'm about to do that now. It should take me about an hour. In here is really rough. My wheels have never been looked after. I've owned this Jeep for over 12 years. So I'm cleaning all 4 wheels with the wire cup and the wire brush right down to smooth, then respraying them again. This is all we use here. Cordless drill with a wire cup, wire brush and a mask for safety. There you go, simple as that. So here you are, it's a simple process. Basically just get your wire cup in there, work yourself around the wheel. I can guarantee it's going to take me a full hour on this wheel, but when it's done, nice and smooth and clean, all the pits are gone, all the dirt is gone. I'll give it a good rinse down after I'm finished. Get all the dust out of the brake system. And then next week, when I find time, I will respray the wheels. Get the wire brush for the awkward bits. Nice and smooth already. We've only just started. There. I'll work away on this for an hour, then I'll get back to you and let you see what it's like when it's finished. So there you have it, exactly 1 hour later. The wheel is completely spotless. Ready for primer, silver, then lacquer. Looks rough, but it's really smooth. Job done. Have fun.